Hi Amit, welcome to the Better Citizens, which is a series basically for founders, presidents, and those people who have started social organizations. I am glad to welcome for the viewers. This is Mr. Amit Jain, who is the founder of Mitti Ke Rang, which is a social organization working towards women empowerment in Pune. Amit, before delaying much, I would like you to introduce yourselves to the viewers. So, tell us a little bit about your personal life. Where are you from, and basic details about you. Over to you.
Right, thank you. So basically, I'm from Maharashtra. There's a town named Bhusawal. I was born and brought up there, did my graduation there.
Okay.
And after that, being in Bhusawal, it was pretty good there. But I lost my father at very early age. And the family was a great support due to which, we were able to survive and everything.
Yeah.
Then after doing a graduation in like BCom in Bhusawal, I came to Pune in 2012 to look for a job.
Yeah.
So at that time, the thought was, I just did a BCom degree, and if any company would be hiring me for that. But luckily, after a month, so I just gave it 1,000 because we didn't have much. We have some here, friends, and also then I gave interviews, and then Bank of New York Mellon finally selected me. So that was a life-changing moment after a birth for me.
Right. Right, great. Who has been your inspiration going forward from there? Like, who was your role model that time and even now?
Right. So what happened, till my childhood, till my graduation, the food, the house, all was given by my uncle and aunt. So it was a great support. And after that, when I came to Pune, so I then started working here. So mom was a constant support, okay, karna hai, because I was not that good at studies. So mom was a great support to that. But when I came to Pune, and in 2 years, I tried to understand what Pune is all about. Because coming from a rural to a urban, it generates curiosity. Okay, how does things exist?
Yeah.
So it took time to understand that. And then luckily in 2014, I met my co-founder, Mr. Saket. And that's how the journey began. Until now, it's been 6 years now. If you could ask me my role model, my co-founder is my role model.
Yeah, okay, great. Coming to Mitti Ke Rang, how did that idea evolve, and what are you guys doing? Why did you actually, establish that organization? So, just tell us a bit about Mitti Ke Rang and the activities that are going on.
Right. So, Mitti Ke Rang started in 2014 in Pune itself. What happened, I had inclination towards doing something, but I wasn't aware, what direction I have to take, because when I came to Pune, first thing I knew was to survive myself, to get a job if possible. So my first job was in one of the company which recruited me, but I have a habit of networking. So someone told me if they can hire you. So that's how Bank of New York Mellon, I went to Bank of New York. And then after 2 years, I've been to a couple of NGOs, and then a thought came, till my graduation, all the support of clothes and everything was by family. So there's a big gap between the people who have something and the people who want something. Right. So I don't know, one good day I just started writing a content. If you have anything to donate, you can call on this number and we will come and pick it up. Correct. And for my surprise, again, I just posted on few social media and OLX and Quaker. So that time, and in a week, we started a lot of response. In the initial 3 to 6 months, I was alone because, we just thought we will do this.
Yeah.
And after that, we always think, the low start off of, they doesn't add value to your life. But Mitti Ke Rang, the biggest bridge auto driver. I still remember the story wherein I came from Indore. I met an auto driver at the bus stand. He told me a story. I told him what we are doing. So I just gave him a t-shirt. Later he called me, so you're doing a great work. So if you want my auto to pick up the stuff, I'll be more than happy. I'm like, wow, because that was a big trouble, working 5 days a week and going alone on bike on weekend, getting all the stuffs. So that's how the journey began. And then the people who used to donate all those things, we used to tag them on social media, Facebook and LinkedIn and all. And later they became our volunteers. So that's how from zero, we reached to around 50 volunteers in 1.5 years.
Wow.
Again, coming back to the networking part of me, So, I used to love to meet people, and that's how I met my co-founder, Mr. Sakir. And so that was how we began. And very frankly, when you're working in a corporate, so it comes a point wherein you become confused whether you want to continue a job or you want to, take the passion full time. So that was always been a challenge, and family being a great support. So what happened? We just kept going. We had a lot of troubles. We learned over the period a lot of things. We learned, many times it was a time where we had to close Mitti Ke Rang because nothing was shaping up. My career was at stake, and I couldn't focus much on my job.
Yeah.
But luckily, the team was a great support. Saket, co-founder, was a constant support. And then last year, in 2019, I just thought, okay, now it's enough. It's time to leave the job. And at least give yourself a year or two to see if something can out of that.
Right.
So again, recalling the story of coming to 1K in 20 and leaving the job, being acceptable by the family. So I didn't tell them that I am leaving the job. So that's how the things began. I left the job last year.
Right.
Then again took Mitti Ke Rang for that way.
Great. This is very inspiring, especially for the youngsters who want to actually contribute to a social cause. So, अभी मिट्टी के रंग क्या कर रहा है? Where are you based at? अभी आपने expansion कहाँ पे किया है? So tell us a little bit about your activities also at मिट्टी के रंग.
Right. So, MKR, we used to work as an NGO before 2019, but later we realized that we have women entrepreneurs who are making different products. So why not move from a NGO to a social venture so we can make it more sustainable? Yeah. And we need to give a message to the people that, okay, we can make them independent and not dependent.
Yeah.
So we started with the activity of making paper bag, cloth bag, वो सब चालू किया. फिर जो अपने पुणे में ऑर्चिड होटल है वो उनने चालू किया पेपर बैग लेना. फिर काफी कपड़े के बैग वी सोल्ड. और फिर दिवाली के 40 दिन पहले अपन ने टी लाइट कैंडल चालू किया.
अच्छा.
और वो दिवाली में काफी अच्छा हुआ. अपने जो आंटी लोग थे सेंटर पे हड़पसर में उनने बनाया. और 40 डेज में वी सोल्ड अराउंड 52,000 कैंडल्स ऑल ओवर.
वाओ, अमेजिंग.
वो काफी बड़ा सक्सेस रहा है एमकेआर के लिए.
राइट.
या और वो भी लास्ट ईयर बाढ़ भी थी अपने पुणे में, फ्लड था, तो लोगों ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया.
करेक्ट. That's nice.
तो वो होने के बाद में फिर अभी मैं सोचा कि चलो पुणे में अभी काफी सेट हो गया अपना. और फिर आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग अक्रॉस इंडिया बैकपैकिंग के लिए.
ओके.
और फिर वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मीटअप ऑल ओवर इंडिया टू मीट वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की वो क्या अलग काम कर रहे हैं. और अब फिर अभी जब कोरोना हुआ तो फिर वी थॉट कि यार ये साल अपना प्लान था 10 लाख कैंडल बेचने का, बट अब मुश्किल है कि कोरोना हो गया है.
Correct.
And at that time I was in Guwahati, stuck in for 70 days in the lockdown.
Okay.
तो फिर अपन ने फंड रेजिंग किया डेली वेज वर्कर्स के लिए, जहाँ पर 23 लाख रुपए रेज हो गए अभी तक. वो सब को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया 1000 to one family. और अब अपन we are moving into getting the target of selling 1 million candles. So from tomorrow we're gonna be starting that campaign.
Okay, that's great. I had seen such amazing pictures last year. I still remember on LinkedIn and Facebook. They were really good, and I'm glad that you are actually helping these females who are widows and also from underprivileged families. So it feels great that from zero you have come this long, and it really is an incredible journey. I may say so. So of course this journey looks good, but there have been a lot of challenges, I'm sure. So would you like to throw some light on that? Like what were some of the challenges that you would like to share with our viewers?
Right. So the biggest challenge which comes in the mentality of the society, because what happened when you talk about an NGO or a social venture, so many have a very different mindset when it comes to all those things, because they have been trained like that from generations to generations.
Yeah.
But now the change is coming. But when we started in 2014 till now, like all this social impact wasn't the main, domain for anyone to take their career in. It was like you have to do an MBA, you have to go for a higher job, you have to go for it abroad. So the challenge was to keep myself motivated, the family members, okay, we are going in the right direction. okay, we are not losing out on time, on opportunities. And also what happened, I didn't inform anyone because MCAR wasn't registered until 2019. So I didn't told anyone in my company, Bank of New York, that I'm running this, because I didn't want to, ki dono clash ho. I just wanted both to go in balance. So it was very difficult to manage both the stuff, like 10 hours job and then 5-6 hours in Mitti Ke Rang.
Correct.
So the balancing, and the one thing which I learned, कि बहुत लोग को पैशन फॉलो करना है, कुछ अपना खुद का स्टार्ट करना है, बट वन थिंग व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस कि अगर जैसे मेरे में पैशन था और मैं 6 साल तक करते गया, तो अब वो पैशन इतना अच्छा फ्रूट दे रहा है कि जो नो वन हैव इमेजिन्ड ऑफ. जिसको भी अपना पैशन फॉलो करना है, कुछ भी करना है, द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होता है कि आप एक जॉब ले लो, ताकि आपका भी एक घर चले, आपका मेंटल प्रेशर, घर का प्रेशर बैलेंस रहे, और फिर आप एक्स्ट्रा 5-6 घंटे देके आप आपका पैशन फॉलो करो. और अगर वो पैशन आप 5 साल तक फॉलो करते रहे, मतलब आपका पैशन सही में आपको करियर बनाना है. नहीं तो वो सिर्फ एक आपका ट्रेंड में बहना की बात होती है, बेचा होता है. In that way.
Right, perfectly said. So there are a lot of youngsters like you that who want to actually do not just for social cause, but otherwise also some are interested in singing, they are passionate about dance and so on. But again, as you said, consistency, persistence and patience is something that is required for you to sustain in that particular passion if you really want to make that your career. So amazing. And how has been your experience in terms of funding, volunteers? Because a lot of NGOs struggle for that as well. So if you can tell us a little bit about that.
Right. Again, learning from own experience, in the initial 5 years, we were on a mode to get more and more volunteers from corporate, be it students and all. And no matter, they had been a great pillars of what Mitti Ke Rang is now. Later we realized that we made a high-tech community center in Hadapsar. Wherein the idea was that in a slum area, we want to create an environment wherein the kids, the women entrepreneurs, they come and they would love to be there and work and learn.
Correct.
Because when you go to a slum area, when you go to a NGO, you respect any NGO, any slum areas where work is going on, the environment is such, be it like because of lack of funds and all, people doesn't get excitement to learn. So we just made a room where it is so high tech, very lavish. So वहाँ पे बच्चे उनको बोलना पड़ता तुम घर जाओ. तो भले उसको बहुत टाइम लगा, लेकिन वो रूम बन गया. फिर क्या समझ में आया कि यार we started education class, English reading class every day for students. तो जो आपका सवाल था volunteers को related, तो when you depend on a volunteer, so volunteer एक ऐसा word है कि हम अपनी मर्जी से काम करेंगे. उसमें कोई अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. और जब कॉर्पोरेट इन्वॉल्व होती है, जब कॉलेज के बच्चे इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, इस पे कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. पर एनजीओ इस पे प्रेशर बना नहीं सकता है. व्हाट वी डिड, वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग पीपल कि भाई हम तुमको 3 to 5 के पर मंथ पे करेंगे, तुम जाके शाम में आंटी लोग को, बच्चे लोग को 1 घंटा पढ़ाओ. दैट्स इट. और जिसको कुछ भी करना है वॉलंटियरिंग, वो आओ, कोई भी एक्टिविटी करो, बट हमारा उसमें कम्युनिकेशन बहुत कम रहेगा. इट वोंट बी लॉन्ग टर्म सस्टेनेबल.
राइट.
तो हुआ क्या, वॉलंटियर्स हो गया, और एमकेआर में जैसे कोरोना हो गया आपका, तो फंड रेजिंग के साथ साथ समझ में आया कि बहुत बच्चों की इंटर्नशिप चली गई है. तो अपन ने चालू किया कि भाई जिसको भी इंटर्नशिप चाहिए 2 महीने का वी विल गिव. वी थॉट कि 5 to 10 इंटर्न्स विल कम. बट इतना नंबर बढ़ गया कि वी गॉट मोर देन 500 plus applications, and right now we have 103 interns full time working with Mitti Ke Rang as of date.
Wow, that's really amazing. That's something which is incredible, I must say. That's great. All right. So again, like as I said, I mean, this journey has been really nice, and a lot of volunteers, a lot of viewers would be inspired to actually listen to your journey. And of course, there have been challenges, but as you said, after 4-5 years, you get that stability, and then you want to actually make it your career pathway for future. So any takeaways for the viewers, or maybe for youngsters who actually want to contribute to a social cause full time or maybe part time?
Right. So what we are really trying to bring a change, because again repeating the same words, that coming decades, the word NGO, the word social has mostly related to charity, poverty, and like जब भी कोई एनजीओ का वर्ड सुनता है तो एक गरीबी की पिक्चर आती है.
Correct.
तो विद मिट्टी के रंग, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, बिकॉज आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट, सो मैं वही बता पाऊंगा कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू चेंज दैट पिक्चर. जैसे जो 103 इंटर्न्स भी है, 4 से 5 बच्चे ही सिर्फ सोशल बैकग्राउंड के हैं. बाकी सब, कोई इंजीनियर है, कोई डॉक्टर की पढ़ाई कर रहा है, सब अलग अलग फील्ड के लोग हैं. और जैसे भी मिट्टी के रंग में वी स्टार्टेड पॉडकास्ट, जिसमें अभी तक कुछ 250 प्लस स्पीकर्स का पॉडकास्ट कर चुके हैं. स्पॉटिफाई, गूगल, सब जगह जा रहा है. वी हैड अ टीम ऑफ फंड रेजिंग, मिट्टी के रंग एकेडमी, जिसमें वर्कशॉप्स करवा रहे हैं. वी गोना बी स्टार्टिंग विद वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मीटअप. तो एक बदलाव ला रहे कि यार आप सोशल को भी ना एज अ कॉर्पोरेट रन करो, एज अ मॉडर्न तरीके से रन करोगे, तो देन दे विल बी इट वुड बी अट्रैक्टेड टू एवरीबॉडी. और अभी ये डेकेड में, आपने सवाल पूछा कि ये डेकेड में मतलब कि क्या बदलाव हो सकता है, अब जो टेक अवे होता है. तो व्हाट आई बिलीव, व्हाट आई डिड, लाइक देयर इज वन कोट व्हिच आई ऑलवेज फॉलो, मेक कनेक्शंस व्हेन यू डोंट नीड द मोस्ट. Which means आप लोगों से जब रिश्ता बनाओ जब आपको उनसे कुछ भी काम नहीं हो.
Right.
तो वो बनता है बिना कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस के. तो जब मैं जॉब कर रहा था बैंक ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क में, 7 साल मैंने वही किया है, बिकॉज आई लव टू टॉक टू पीपल. और जब आज इंटर्न्स ने टीम में है, we did 23 lakh rupees in 3 months. We did like so many workshops. So people are there to help you.
Correct.
So no matter what you want to do in your life, be it a social, be it whatever stuff you want to do, just keep making connections.
Correct.
वो आपको लाइफ में ऐसी जगह लेके जाएंगे कि आप इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पाओगे.
करेक्ट. हम लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि उसके कॉन्टैक्ट्स है इसलिए वो कर पा रहा है. सो बट आई फील दैट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट to build contacts, and not necessarily in the corporates but otherwise also. Like as you said, development sector has to be taken like a corporate, only then it will be looked upon as a modern field and an attractive field for sure. So yeah, I mean, thank you for inspiring a new generation, and I'm hoping that people will be motivated after listening to you. So we will be giving the details of Mitti Ke Rang and of course your website and everything, so that in case if people want to connect with you, they can do that. So thank you so much for coming to the Better Citizens today, and we'll be in touch. Any last takeaways for the viewers?
Yes, another last quote before ending. Like, what is the biggest truth in the world? I always say whenever I talk to people, तो लोग बोलते कि क्या मतलब दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा सच क्या है. तो द आंसर इज कि द बिगेस्ट ट्रूथ इन द वर्ल्ड दैट एवरीथिंग इज अ लाई, कि सब झूठ है. जो भी अपन बचपन से सुनते आते हैं, जैसे मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे को ये सब बातें बताई, उनकी मम्मी ने उनको बताई, उनकी मम्मी ने उनको बताई. सच किसको पता नहीं है, और अपन ये दिमाग में रखते कि नहीं यार ये तो सच ही है. फिर अपन कभी नेवर गो आउट ऑफ अ कंफर्ट जोन टू डू समथिंग व्हिच विल रियली मेक अस डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. तो आपको जो भी करना है, और एक और चीज, अगर आपको कुछ पैशन फॉलो करना है और अगर आपको सही में करना है, तो आपका डेफिनेटली इश्यूज होगा घर वालों के साथ में फॉर कपल ऑफ इयर्स, क्योंकि दे आर नॉट रॉन्ग एट देयर साइड, बिकॉज दे वांट यू सेफ एंड यू डोंट वांट टू बी सेफ टू ग्रो बिग. तो यू आर मेंटली स्टेबल कि हाँ वो टेंशन में झेल सकता हूँ, तो फिर नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू.
करेक्ट. This is extremely candid and factual. I feel it happens with everybody who works in the social sector. So thank you for
any sector.
I know any sector, especially the development sector, because it doesn't pay you that well. Of course it does, but later on. But yeah, I mean, the tussle between the family continues for some years for sure. So thank you for being that candid, and I'm sure people will be following the passion, looking at you. So thanks once again, and we'll keep in touch.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.